In this video, Graham will be showcasing how to create a French bob on our model Carmen. Starting in the back, Graham cuts an external length, combing the hair to its natural fall and using no tension due to Carmen's growth pattern in her hairline. He continues with parallel sections. In section 5, Graham begins his internal length by combing the hair vertically below its base and horizontally to the right of its base. He continues by pivoting his sections until he becomes horizontal over the top of the ear, directing each new section backwards towards the previous section so the lengths increase vertically. Once Graham reaches the top of the ear, his sections pivot until he becomes vertical over the top of the ear, continuing to direct each new section backwards towards the previous section. Now, on the sides, Graham takes a horizontal section and combs the hair to its natural fall and cuts an external length using the length from behind the ear as a guide. He cuts two sections and then begins to connect the internal lengths from the back to the front. By taking a diagonal section and directing the hair to the right of its base horizontally so the lengths continue to increase towards the front. He uses the same direction of hair vertically as he did in the back, which is below the base. Graham continues with parallel sections to the parting using the same movement of sections, which is backwards towards the previous section. To remove excess weight from Carmen's hair, Graham uses a texturizing razor by going through section by section using the tip of the razor. As Carmen is growing out her fringe, Graham uses the length as a guide and cuts an internal length to remove weight and add separation to the fringe. The hair is then dried naturally using a diffuser. Here is the finished look on Carmen. Thank you for watching.
We're going to say like, subscribe,
Like,
share, comment and subscribe.
why don't you come in, show us how it's done, like both of you.
That's a really good
and then
idea.
we'll come back and then we'll replicate.
That is such a good idea.